Hello, this is Barry Enerson from the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room. It is Friday, December the 11th. I'm the moderator of our trading room, and the room is open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'm live on the mic, and I apologize for the noise you hear in the background. My house is being ripped apart right now, being renovated, so hopefully it's not too distracting. This is going to be very quick, and there it really gets started. Okay. I want to go over a couple of trades. FNSR. Hopefully this is not too disruptive. If it is, I apologize. FNSR was an interesting one in that, as you probably, if you traded today, you know that the market was way, way down. At one point, it was down 300. Still have a couple hours left in the market, so don't know where it's going to end up. But FNSR was what we call the alpha stock. I mean, the one that is trading on its own. And it was an earnings play. Notice here's where it closed yesterday. And it popped up in the pre-market and it basically held. A very good sign. So, these are the ones you look for. And, I have a bit of a theory. I'm sure I'm not the only one out there, but obviously we're not in earnings season at all. But we do have some companies releasing earnings. Adobe was one of them today. And so if you're an earnings player and you want to play them, there are slim pickings. So I think that a lot of people will, with less stocks to focus on, these ones can, be real gems. And I have no idea what it would have done if the market had been up today. Made it done just exactly the same. But nonetheless, let me just show you what I did. And I'm going to be very quick, because I'm sure this noise is rather disrupting. I really can't do anything about that. Just one second. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So I got into right here at 1380. This actually, right here, I had an alert right around here on another strategy that I'm following. And so I took the trade at 1380. Let me just get a markup here. And basically I got out at, just when it broke over 14, got out at 1403. 1403, I got out as it came back down to 1412, and then as it came back down through 14, I got out here 1397. So a great trade really on a day where the market is down anywhere from 250 to 300 points. Now this was a really nice trade. This was a quick trade, center point. This is again an alert. I have an option window that's kind of triggering unusual option activity, and I'm sure in our option channel, probably it's the same one as there, or very similar. Got the alert at 1688. 1688. I got the alert. Decided to take the trade right here, 1695. Typically, I do wait for the whole number to break, but it was moving so quickly that I thought, you know what, I better take it now. And if it doesn't work and it comes back here, I'll exit, and I can always get back in if it broke it. So I took the trade at 1695, and a very quick exit here at 1732, and then down here at 1703 before it broke down through the whole number. And I mean, this was just a really, really great trade. It only took about 2 minutes. I mean, you got to love those sort of trades. And then, especially on a day again where it's very hard to hold on to anything long when the market is so weak today. And that's really about it, all I want to talk about. I did have a little loss on UPS. Believe it or not, I tried to short it and it didn't work. Uh, Ben was another one from that option, and I just got too antsy about it. I actually had the trade rate here at 36.78. 36.78 to short it. So it was right there. It moved down a little bit, and then but it started moving up, and I decided to get out. And just got a little nervous in it, and should never have done that. Anyway, that is it. Oh, I wouldn't. I have to give kudos to Jorge. Jorge called TVIX, which I do not. And I very rarely trade the ETFs. He called it, I think, about right around here. I want to say 33. I might be wrong. I can't remember exactly where he called it, but actually it might have been right around here, 750. And he actually said it's going to 8. Now, nobody knows what's exactly going to happen, but his best guess was that it was going to 8. And I said, you know what? If it goes to 8, you get a kudos. So there you go. Hit 8, and of course further. And of course, this is an ETF that basically, as the SPY is dropping, this is going to go up. All right, everybody. Sorry about the noise. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else to keep an eye on over the weekend. Next week, what are we now, the 11th? So 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15, Tuesday, the big day. Will there or won't they? Will the feds raise the rates? And I think everybody, of course, is waiting for that. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. And again, here's how to get into our room. Open 9 to 4, and we'll see you in the trading room on Monday. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.